Hi students, today we are learn about the law of dominance, law of segregation and law of independence assortment. So these laws are important in Mendel's experiment. So first one is law of dominance. See here, law of dominance means some characters are dominant over others. So here see crossing, when we crossing the capital T and small t. Here see capital T means tall plant, small t means dwarf plant. When we crossing with small t and capital T, then heterozygous plant produced. So these heterozygous means here see homozygous, heterozygous. Homozygous means same alleles in one gene. So see here capital T or small t. So this is called homozygous, same alleles in one gene. In this gene capital T are same alleles. Or heterozygous. Heterozygous means different alleles in one gene. See here capital T, small t. Here capital T means tall, small t means dwarf. Here capital Y, small y. Capital Y means yellow, small y is green. And next example, capital R means round, small r means wrinkle. So here heterozygous, one capital T, one small t. So two different alleles in one gene is called heterozygous. This is the homozygous and heterozygous. Homozygous means same alleles in one gene. Heterozygous means different alleles in one gene. So here when we crossed the capital T and small t, tall and dwarf plants, then produced tall plants. These tall plants are, see here, this is the tall plant. Here capital T is dominant, small t is recessive. Here dominant means small t is we cannot observe in plant. Only capital T. Height, tall T means height plant is produced. So this capital T, small t is F1 generation. In this F1 generation, these same traits of height. Here see capital T, small t, but here capital T is dominant phase. So this is law of dominance. This dominance phase is expressed in homozygous or heterozygous. So here see this is homozygous plants crossing, then heterozygous plant produced. In this heterozygous, capital T is dominant phase. This is law of dominance. Next one, law of segregation. In this law of segregation, two alleles of gene when present together heterozygous state do not fuse or blend. See here, two alleles of gene in one gene, two alleles of gene when present together in heterozygous. See here, heterozygous means different alleles in one gene. Here see, different allele. Capital R means round, small r means wrinkle. So different alleles means heterozygous. Heterozygous state do not fuse or blend. So here see, these alleles are do not blend in crossing but remain distinct and segregate during meiosis or gametes formation. Here see, this is parents generation. In this parent generation, gametes are formed. In this gametes formation, each gamete carries only one gene. In these gametes carries only one gene. So it is law of purity of gametes. This is law of segregation. Once again here see, two alleles of gene when we present together in heterozygous state. Here see, this is heterozygous state. In this heterozygous state, these alleles are not blend, do not fuse or blend, but remain distinct. During meiosis or gametes formation. Here see, This is parent. This is parent plant. In this parent plant, gametes are formed. In this gamete formation, each gamete carries only one gene. Each gamete carries only one gene. Here see, this is small r is pure wrinkled plants. Here see, this is pure gametes. This is called law of segregation. Here see, this is gametes. In these gametes is F1 generation. This F1 generation crossing with another F1 generation. So here self-pollination or self-crossing. Here see, RR means here RR gametes in F1 generation. This F1 generation once again crossing with F1 generation, self-crossing. In this self-crossing, these plants are produced. First one, capital R means here total round plants, pure round plants. Next, RR. Here RR means here R is dominant, R is recessive. Here means round plants. Here also round plants. Here RRs, capital R means F2. These are pure gametes. So this is law of segregation. Okay. Next, law of independent assortment. In this law of independent assortment, the law states that when two pairs of traits, here see, when two pairs of traits are combined in hybrid or crossing, segregation of one pair of character, segregation of one pair of character is independent of other pair character. So see here once again, the law states that when two pairs of traits, here see two pairs, first one round yellow, here two pairs, next pair wrinkle and green. So here the law states that when two pairs of traits are combined in hybrid, segregation of one pair, here see, segregation of one pair character is independent of other character. So here see, parents round yellow, one pair, wrinkle green, other pair. So in these two pairs are crossing. So here this is round yellow gametes are round yellow, capital R, capital Y, and here small y are gametes. So these gametes are crossing. When the crossing in F1 generation, here see, round yellow plants are produced. So here capital R round, capital Y yellow. So this is the independent assortment. See here, one pair of character is independent of other pair of character. So here round yellow, here one pair of character is independent of other character is called law of independent. So here see, once again F1 generation crossing with F1 generation or self-pollination. Here see, self. So in this selfing or F1 generation is crossed with F1 generation. So here this is called selfing. In this selfing, gametes are produced. So see here, these four gametes are male gametes and these four gametes are female gametes. Here see, capital R capital Y means round yellow. Here small r capital Y. Small r means wrinkle, capital Y means yellow. Capital R round, small y green. Small r green and small r wrinkle. Next one, here see, capital R means round, small capital Y means yellow, small r means wrinkle, small y green, capital R round, small y green, small r wrinkle, small y green. So these are gametes, male gametes, female gametes, crossing with male and female gametes. Then these produced plants are 9:3:3:1 is phenotypic ratio. Say here capital R, capital Y, capital R, capital Y crossing, then produced round yellow plant. See here, capital R means round, capital Y means yellow. So this is here. See, total this crossing round yellow plants are 9. So here first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So total round yellow plants are 9. Round green plants, here see, round and green. So round and green plants, see here, round here, capital R, green, small y. So this is A, B, C here. So these three plants are round green and wrinkle yellow. Wrinkle yellow. Next wrinkle yellow. Next wrinkle yellow. 3. Next wrinkle green here. Small r, small y, one plant. So total phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. See here, round yellow means capital R, capital Y. Here capital R, capital Y, 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 capital R, capital Y. So total 9. Next one, round green plants. So round means capital R, small y means green. So these plants are 3. Wrinkle yellow. So here wrinkle means small r, yellow means capital Y. So see here, small r, capital Y, A, small r, capital Y, B. Next small r, capital Y, C. Next wrinkle, capital R, green, capital Y. So capital R, capital Y is one plant. So total of independent assortment phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. So this is possible in dihybrid cross. Here law of segregation is possible in monohybrid cross. Law of independent assortment is possible in dihybrid cross. So this is law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent. So once again briefly, law of dominance means some characters are dominant over others. Here capital T is dominant, small t is recessive. So this is capital T means dominant phase. So this is called the law of dominance. This law of dominance is expressed in homozygous or heterozygous plants. Homozygous means same alleles in one gene. Heterozygous means different alleles in one gene. So this is law of dominance. Law of segregation means two alleles of gene when present together in heterozygous do not fuse. In this heterozygous, these alleles are heterozygous. In this situation, these alleles are do not fuse but remain distinct and segregate during meiosis. When the gametes are formed, in this gamete formation, each gamete carries only one gene. This gene is pure gametes. So this is called law of segregation. Here segregation means separation. Separation of alleles. Separation of gametes is called segregation. So here see F1 crossing with F1 generation. Here capital R, small r. These are gametes. So when the gamete formation is possible, then each gamete carries only one gene. So it is law of purity of gametes. So here capital R pure gametes, small r pure gametes. But here see capital R small r means here capital R is dominant, small r is recessive. So this is not possible in law of segregation. This heterozygous is do not fuse. When the gametes are formed, then law of segregation is possible. Then pure gametes are produced. Next one, this is possible in only monohybrid cross. Law of independent assortment possible in dihybrid cross. In this dihybrid crossing, law states that when two pairs of traits are combined in hybrid, segregation of one pair character is independent. Here is round yellow, round yellow. So here one character is independent of other pair of characters. So this is F1 generation, self-pollination. After the self-pollination, phenotypic ratio 9:3:3:1. This is the law of independent assortment. Thank you.